So my name is Emeka Collins Obilo, and I'm privileged to lead the team here at Plugstuck. Okay, I want to appreciate the team, the amazing and awesome people in our team that have put in all this. I mean, they are the reason why we are here.
I did a bit of automation while I was back, while I was in Nigeria, and you still had to code. So it could be so confusing, but the thing is, I mean, if you want to be true and sincere to yourself, what is my
questions? And I'm guessing this question also was curated from the lot of questions that you must have asked or must have come up in the conversation with Plugstuck. I like to advise young people is, if you have between 0 to 3 years experience, I would say, try and take up an internship, try and, gain as much experience.
The data science wasn't very hard. Now it's hard when everybody wants to hire a data scientist and machine learning engineer. The data science job is more popular than any other digital tech skill job, but more popular than the web developer, or more popular than the JavaScript and Java developer.
Theory. There's no equipment to illustrate the theories, the laws, formulas, a lot of calculations there. But with this equipment,
we are taking a practical approach, and the whole essence of our approach is to lay the foundations within week 1, so that by week 2 to week 5 you have practical sessions. After the session, just head over to the bar and register your interest.